Hey, welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Y'all know I love cheese, so today in this 2-minute recipe video, we are making barbecue chicken grilled cheese. Let's go to the stove. For a good grilled cheese, we need to make sure that we use a lot of delicious butter and turn your pan up to medium heat. I like to build my grilled cheese right in the pan, so the pan's not hot yet, but I'm gonna build that beautiful piece of rye bread, layer it with cheddar, with shredded mixed cheese, and beautiful slices of roasted chicken. I always roast extra chicken so I can make stuff for the rest of the week. Now your pan is starting to warm up and that cheese is bubbling, so let's finish assembling. Use your favorite barbecue sauce and layer and smother that chicken with it. In case you didn't realize, we did not have enough cheese. We are going to use 2 slices of Swiss to cover up that chicken, and then put your top on. Now we just have to wait a little bit. How do you know that it's ready to flip? You give it a little peek and you go flip. Look at that beautiful brown color. Now the other side isn't going to take as long because the pan is already hot, and look at that bubble. Here we go. We need to check. Is it done? It is done. Ready to eat in literally a couple of minutes. Look at that beautiful cheese crust fall off as I cut it. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite sandwiches that I have ever made. And because we added Swiss, look at that pull. Probably my favorite part. I am so ready to eat that sandwich right now. So bye. Thank you for watching this 2-minute recipe. I hope you have a barbecue chicken grilled cheese in your future soon. Have a cheesy day.